my god, you too! What the whoa? Oh my! I know! Get out of here! They're after us! Oh my god!
What's up, everyone? Welcome to the first ever golf episode on the Young Rick YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my I Don't Hit Greens TikTok and Etsy shop in my bio. As always, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video. Enjoy.
That might be gone.
Kitty has hands in the air.
I think I went into the woods.
The Torrey Pines.
Straight into the woods. There's no saving that bug.
Those babies are just chilling.
The baby.
The 3 babies. I lost it. Oh, I see it.
By the tree.
Yeah.
You can punch it.
Yeah, I am in the shrubberies.
I keep thinking this is mud every time I sit down. This.
Oh yeah, it's getting in your peripheral vision.
My peripheral. First, you drive along the edge and find another one. Then, you think it went in this area? Or up there more?
Right into those. Right into that. Oh, I see a yellow.
Oh shit, my bad.
There we go. This is the one I'm using.
Oh, there's a leech on it.
Look at the little guy. Look at the little guy.
Little guy, sorry, you're going back in the grass.
You think over here or up there more?
Kind of just like right.
Basically just like right there.
Check swamp. Should I just throw this ball out there?
Just do it. Where's the green, bro?
Like
the pine to the left of it?
Like this weird looking tree?
No, not this close one. Way in the back. See those two? Yeah. You can see the pine tree to the left of it? Aim at that. That's what's left. Really? Yeah, if you jump, you can see it. Go!
That's fine.
That actually will do.
I think it's fine.
That'll do, donkey. Not a great shot, but a great result.
Really great result.
Really great.
Well, where did my bad ball just go to?
Bad bunny. That's actually,
Wait, is that me? On the
green?
fringe?
I hope so. Is that Nick that rolled on the fringe?
Yeah.
Whoa! Let's go.
Kirkland? Thank God.
Golly! Yeah. Jake says, "Thank the Lord." Let me just drive into the woods real quick. So I can't hit any club other than a punch. Tongue punch this fart box.
What did he say?
I did not expect that to just happen. Throw this thing in reverse, Terry.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Oh no. Yeah, you made it back. How hard do we punch this fart box? Get it up there, right?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Shit. Nice.
That might be okay.
Wait. That's perfect, I think. I can't see it, but
He said it's so good. Prove it!
I don't believe you.
Oh! My bad. I was looking for balls.
wait, that's you?
Holy smokes.
Holy smokes! Did that hit the hill?
Yes. You hit it like back here.
Nice shot, man. So are these good? Oh! You little Nick, look! Oh!
Garner!
Look at that. It literally comes back.
Damn! All right, we got a par.
What'd you say, bro?
I need a cookie.
I would kill for a cookie. First par of the day.
You did it? Let's go.
Yeah, almost a freaking birdie. I should have. This is just it. I got a 4.
Nick? 6.
It really helps when you hit a green.
So there is a little pond out yonder.
No, by the yellow poles up there.
You gotta carry 250 to get past the water.
Einstein dog.
I can't hit it straight though, so pray and spray.
Einstein dog training.
Nothing's changed in a way.
Smack that.
Take a look at him. This guy's gonna run over my ball.
No,
with
no,
a
I think I
lawnmower.
see your ball. It's over there. Higher numbers go, like you said, more on a plane and more middle and closer.
Yeah.
And then you go farther away and left.
So I should
towards
put,
your
when
front
I
foot.
use my 5.
Yeah, you should put it up
I
here.
should throw it a little bit to the front.
And farther away.
All right. I'm gonna
So,
do that right
you gotta
now.
remember
I'm gonna do
this.
that right now.
Oh, that was. Did it bounce over by them?
Come down.
I don't know. I didn't see it. Damn. That was a. No, that was a. Yeah, that was a clean swing. It's just the darn trees. Did you see Nick's ball? Ooh, nice shot, bro. Oh, that was right at the flag. You're about like 84. 84 to the green. We never hit greens. We never do. Oh my God. You almost jamoked Jacob. Go! Oh, we hit one! Let's go! Yeah, I thought you were gonna hit Jacob's car.
Hey, Mr. City, NASDAQ in your hand, rolling your eyes at my beat up truck. Both for tax say Tennessee. I don't.
It was going towards me. I was like, oh my god.
And it's go. Will you sit on this for?
Oh my god.
Maybe I could just demote my car.
Wait, what was that?
Alright, Nick, tee it high, let it fly.
That ball, it sounded like it hurt the ball.
Reversals are in.
That looks nice.
Yeah, Nick's over there.
Sliding all over.
Bro, where your tread at? You need golf shoes. I have.
I know I brought them, but like I don't know. I don't like the way they feel sometimes.
I know, but you might
Today
be
is
surprised.
probably the day I should.
Fairways wide open.
Today.
Bang!
Oh, but I always slide right.
That's alright. Maybe you just start. Maybe just start aiming that way.
I'm just gonna aim this way and then hit normal.
Dude, my one index finger, I could just put it on my nose
I'm
right now
feeling
to
it
warm it up. Or my bunghole, I don't know.
What did he say?
Whoa! Who just ran over that bird? Dude, these birds keep
He's like
flying
doing a
at
head
me.
fake though.
Yeah. Oh my god, you too! What the? Whoa! Bro, chill. Holy, dude, what is actually happening with these geese?
They got something. These geese.
Oh my, dude! They're trying to attack me. No, seriously, what?
Yeah, they actually got your number.
They flicking do, dude. All right, 200 on the dot. Little, you know, it legally in like the PGA, yeah.
I can.
Yes, you can, yeah. I don't know. It's probably a club length. Yeah. And actually, I think with the in the part pro, you have to like drop it from your like kneecap or something stupid. Yeah, it's really weird.
I consider like this from.
Yeah, and then drop it. Yep, and then yeah. Oh, and then you're done. Sit. Or go. I don't know. Bang! Get it up there. That'll do, donkey. Crisscrossing and applesaucing.
They were trying to like
Trying to mate on
scurvy like pirate shit. Like,
trying to mate on this truck.
oh my god!
Why? It's only when we're and there's the other one.
Go!
Guys, no.
Get out of here!
I don't know.
They're after us.
Pedal to the meadow.
Like these birds! Oh my god!
Oh my god, dude. Stop.
Keep going, Ricky!
Dude.
Nice shot, Jacob. Oh my God! Enough is enough. I'm getting out. Oh, brother.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air.
Daddy's still quite like 16. Still had half a foot to grow. Making grown men that fourth time burning towards the checkered flag. I was on torn up knee deep, taking glass out of my right arm. Lady, never let you forget checkered flag. I was on the record when we should. Daddy's still burning towards the checkered flag.
3 putt. 1, 2, 3. What distance you got? 168. That's Sandy bumping and Bill. Look. Good day to like have a day. Hit a random club that I suck at. God. Ah! These birds. Oh! What am I about to catch these hands soon? Par thrizzle. None of us are on the green in one. Not looking great.
Knowing I'm a little crazy, but the world's in odds ahead. Since the girl I ended up with that I wouldn't trade for nothing left. A spare key on the counter.
That was kind of
A hair tie by
Craig Green a good way. Gotta make this for par.
down in this bed. Nothing left at the end of the tunnel. Just some long nights ahead. Oh, ain't nothing left. Nothing left there in nights ahead. Since the girl I ended up with that I.
I lost it.
That ball just went through pain and suffering.
Damn
You hit
it.
the top of the ball.
You can just put this on the green.
Yep, me too.
Give me this club. Give me this club and put it on the green.
Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here.
Whoa.
Dude, that-
I'll drop over there.
That like went crazy right.
That's called
Oh my God.
terrible. Wow, this hole is turning bad. I'm gonna drop right here. Is this a par 5? No. I shouldn't hit the meatball. Yeah, wow. This hole is turning into a shitter. I'm hitting for like 7 right now. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for 6. And it's freaking in the mud.
Dude, I'm good at those. Dude, I'm good at those. I don't know why.
And that's still yard. I blame the cold weather.
Only way I'm beating you is if you do that.
He's just always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you.
Heads up! I'm gonna hit the club that I didn't hit well last time.
Oh. Oh yeah.
All right, wait. Wow, what a good shot. Dude, you picked that clean as shit. Probably.
Brooke, is mine right there? Were you standing right there?
Oh, you almost hit her?
I was just hit Brooke.
My hands are frozen.
Yeah, mine too.
Let's see if you can hit this green.
And I'm sipping on the blue and red. She smoked my last cigarette.
The tee shot we had, we'll take it. On in 3. All right, this is.
I'm a long, long way from down the horn, 3 up, 3 down in the first. I'm a man on the run with a hand on a gun. I'm a father and a son who needs that Holy Ghost. I do the bump every time. I'm a hard one to love.
What was that?
Yes, you got. Hey, that could be the move. Gorsh.
Will I get par today?
Would you get a 5? Wait.
6.
And that's been wearing on more than my soul. And I'm
Wait.
So do I just send this thing at... Wait, that's not mine.
Wait, dude, this is your ball. Dude, you hit the cover
I
off the
killed
ball.
it.
You killed that shit.
Where'd
You're
my
right
ball
here. You're
go?
right here, bro. It ain't hard to find your balls when they're in your underwear.
This is a time when I'm just gonna
be tough.
lightly hit my 500.
Wait. Oh, are you gonna punch it through?
Yeah.
Tongue punch that fart box, bro.
Okay. I can't do it every time.
Nice. Oh, it hit that little hill. All right, that was decent. Did you poo?
Dude, I actually did.
70 yards. Give it a get.
Oh! Right in the pin. Oh.
Go ahead.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where my GoPro dies and the video ends. I ended up finishing 5 over on this hole for a grand total of +7 on the day through 8 holes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the Etsy and the TikTok links in my bio, and y'all know the drill. Don't forget to hit that subscription button, and also the bell notification, that way you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.